Dear Haskoning India and DHV India team, this is a message from Haskoning India and DHV India team on behalf of their MD and CEOs, which I am reading, which has just now come to us. One company enhancing society together. We are proud to be a part of newly merged Royal Haskoning DHV Group. Together with our colleagues from around the world, we mark today as a positive change in our company histories. We celebrate this day together as we move forward as one company. The new company will be one of the leading independent project management, engineering and consultancy service providers and will rank globally in the top 10 of independently owned non-listed companies. From today, we work together and act as one company. With regard to India, the integration of Haskoning India and DHV India into one company is going through a process and is likely to become on this, especially the pre-merger office with many staff members and young professionals led by Rene Nogene, who has done a fantastic job to realize the birth of Royal Haskoning DHV. On this www.enhanциngsocietytogether.tv, you will find video clips of the launch celebrations by young professionals of all our offices worldwide. We have celebrated the launch as one global company, Royal Haskoning DHV. Today, how to proceed? Today is just the beginning. From today onwards, we will start acting as one company. Many things have been realized for the last few months. Many issues still need to be dealt with in the coming period. The legal merger of the several organizations will happen in the coming months. Do you have any questions on this? Discuss first with your manager. Have a look at our merger website or at the internet of our company. Our internet is available. An operational guideline that gives answers to your questions, several tools you can use for communicating with your client. The official merger agreement has been signed. A request for continuation of the royal designation has been approved by the Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands, so the title royal will remain there. The new company's headquarters will be in Amersfoort, the Netherlands. The new company will remain independent and wholly trust-owned, that is owned by ourselves. Vision and mission. The merger accelerates the ambitions of both our companies as described in our MTP by 5 to 10 years. It supports our strategies, clients around the globe. We thank you for attending.